there are reports that you're making more than $500,000 a month. I believe
500K playing Fortnite. That's not bad, right? Today I'll be covering how Twitch streamers make so much money online and how it's a lot more complicated than it actually seems. Alright, so if you're a content creator online or on Twitch or on YouTube, if you're a Fortnite streamer, as I'll be pointing out quite specifically throughout this video, there are a ton of revenue streams you can actually earn money from, like what most streamers are doing right now. Alright, so if you're not a content creator or streamer, you may not know, but there are many different ways you can actually earn money online. The most obvious one being ads. If you've ever used YouTube or Twitch before, you pretty much know how ads work. So if you're watching Twitch, if you're watching a stream, you know that ads will play just during the duration of that stream every once in a while. That's fair. Also, if you're watching YouTube, you know that ads will play before, during, or even after the video. So that's how you make money on both platforms with ads. Now, when you watch content on either platform, you're going to think that the vast majority of income comes from advertisements, but that really can't be further from the truth. So if you want to actually break down the revenue streams that each content creator has on either platform, you're going to find that ads is actually the smallest portion. It's the smallest revenue stream that each content creator has. The vast majority come from a variety of different sources. Now, I know the entire idea of being a YouTube partner is super, awesome, and it sounds prestigious and such, but I can assure you it's just nothing really that crazy. If you want to be a YouTube partner, you're not going to make very much money from ads anyway. If you want to actually make some serious cash, I have a video talking about how you can actually earn money on YouTube without being a YouTube partner. If you want to start earning money like right now, you can go check that out. And I've also got a video on how to actually increase your CPM if you are already a YouTube partner. I've got some serious legitimate ways you can actually use to increase your CPM and earn more every month. So check out both these videos on screen right now. The shameless plug is done, and let's get right back into the actual video. For Twitch streamers in particular, we're going to be looking at subscriptions. So subscriptions are great because it's a great way to earn cash through Twitch. So basically, if you want to support your creator on Twitch, you can follow them. So whenever you're on Twitch, you can actually see their content and you can easily jump into their stream. That's completely free. Then there's also subscriptions. Subscriptions are the exact same thing, so they offer some extra benefits. If you're subscribed, you'll be spending $5, $10, or even $25 every month. Half that will go straight to Twitch and Amazon, and the other half will go straight to the actual streamer, him or herself. Now, why is this good? Well, Amazon and the streamer make a fair amount of money from this, and you get some special permissions and access on that user's stream. So you can get anything from special badges, emotes, and even a special chat. Now the biggest thing for me, in my opinion, is if you subscribe, you get an ad-free experience on that user's streams. Now affiliate marketing is a great way to make money online. It's just really too bad that it's been a buzzword recently associated with, get-rich-quick schemes. Quite often you see those, this local mom makes $8,000 an hour doing whatever with this simple trick. It's often some lonely guy trying to sell a BS course about affiliate marketing online, and that would be a definition of a get-rich-quick scheme. Now, however, if you actually have a large audience that watches your content regularly, like on YouTube or on Twitch, you can earn some serious cash. I'm saying anywhere from tens, if not hundreds of thousands of dollars per year with this strategy. So how it works is, you can associate yourself with some sort of online product dealer, like Amazon is probably my favorite to use. How it works is, you get an Amazon affiliate link for a certain product. So let's say, if I use a certain microphone and I really recommend it, you can click on an Amazon affiliate link to that mic, which I'll have in the description of my videos, take you to an Amazon page. If you buy that microphone after clicking my link, I'll actually earn a commission of anywhere from 3 to 10%. It'll go straight to me, which is quite nice. So that's a huge way you can earn money. If you have a lot of people viewing your page frequently, and have enough of these Amazon affiliate links in the description, and enough of these people actually buying your product, you can earn tens, if not hundreds of thousands of dollars per year. It's a huge moneymaker for these channels which have large followings. Quite often, if you look at a gamer on Twitch, they'll often have their PC specs, and they'll all be Amazon affiliate links to each part. We're talking like CPU, graphics card, motherboard, a power supply, case, all of them listed one by one. And if anyone clicks on one of those links and buys that part, that streamer will actually make a portion of that sale. It's an awesome, awesome idea. Affiliate marketing is huge. It only works if you have a decently large audience where you really start to see some of the results, but affiliate marketing is a great way to earn some cash online. So another very profitable revenue stream for these streamers are going to be merchandise. Now merchandise is so simple to implement, it's actually insane. All you have to do nowadays is just approach a website like Spreadshirt, Teespring, Redbubble. Make an account, upload your designs, and then just share the link of that product with your followers. It's that simple. Mainly because you don't have to handle anything. You don't have to handle stock. You don't have to handle actually printing the designs on those items. And you don't have to handle shipping. They do it all for you. They do everything for you. It's insane. And because of that, you don't get a huge portion of the money. You only get about 40% of each sale. And then these companies like Redbubble, etc., will actually earn 60%, approximately, depending on who you go with. But it makes sense because they do everything for you. Now, because it's so easy for a content creator to just take their design and just throw it online, it totally makes sense because there's no hassle there. If you look at the value to effort ratio of this arrangement, it's totally in every content creator's favor to start their own brand because it's so easy to do, and it's a great just passive revenue stream. So it won't earn you as much as branded or sponsored deals will, but it's still a huge source of income that's really easy to actually just maintain. So branded and sponsored deals are a huge revenue stream for these content creators online. Basically, once they get enough followers and enough traction on either other platforms on YouTube or Twitch, they'll get approached by some sort of third-party company. I've seen a lot of videos being sponsored recently by LG, by Razer, Control Freaks, G Fuel. These are some huge companies in the gaming industry that are very interested in showing off their products. So they come to influencers in this space. So how it'll work is, if you want to go to YouTube, since the majority of YouTube content is pre-recorded, it's not actually necessarily live, how it'll work is a brand will have a 5 to 15 second ad placement spot on a YouTube video, typically near the very beginning, saying that, you know, this video is sponsored by G Fuel, and they'll show off like the latest G Fuel product. Whereas on Twitch, what you'll have is you just have an advertisement or a logo of the brand that you want to show off somewhere on the screen. And quite often you have multiple brands and multiple sponsors at the same time. I've often seen a little rectangular square in the bottom corner of the screen that actually it rotates through all the different brands they're associated with, kind of like one of those rotating billboards, similar to that, where they actually show off all the different brands throughout the duration of the stream. Now, they'll each get paid in different ways. For a YouTube video, they'll either get paid either a flat fee, so just like a couple $100 just for including that little ad spot in the video and a link to actually go buy the product, or they'll get paid a commission style. So they'll get paid for having a link to that video, and if someone clicks that link, they can get paid a certain number of cents or dollars, or if someone actually clicks the link and buys a product, they can actually get a commission of that sale. Kind of like affiliate marketing, but significantly more profitable. Oftentimes you'll either have the number of clicks the link gets, or you'll get the number of purchases you actually get from having that link in your description. So either or, they're both very profitable. Now on Twitch it's a bit different because there's none of this pre-recorded stuff. They just have the brand consistently going. So how it works is they'll often charge a company on a daily or weekly basis for having their brand or advertisement located somewhere on the screen of their video. Or they'll actually do the same thing where it's commission based. So they'll charge the number of clicks that link gets, or the number of purchases they get from that clicked link, either or. So the last stream I'll be covering today is going to be donations. Now donations kind of confuse me because I don't understand the psychology behind it, but I'll get into that in a second. So basically you can donate on both YouTube and Twitch. On Twitch, there is a donate button on the screen of that user's stream. You can click that, donate however much money you want to that streamer. And surprisingly, Amazon actually doesn't take 5% off the top. It actually goes straight to the streamer, 100%. They get it all. Same thing on YouTube. When they're live, you can go to the actual chat, you can donate some cash, and then once you do, your actual comment will be highlighted and bolded in the super chat, and it'll say how much you donated. So that's very respectful. I really like that. It's a really cool feature. Now, what I don't understand is when you have these huge channels that still have donations as being a very primary revenue source for them. I don't get that. If you look at some of the largest Twitch streamers, donations are still a huge role in that user's actual income. I don't get it. I don't understand why someone would actually want to donate to a stream that already makes a 7-figure income, but it happens. In my opinion, if you want to donate, I recommend going to a small stream on Twitch or YouTube and donating $5, because $5 to them will mean a whole lot more than $100 to some of the largest streamers out there. So, you know, keep that in mind. So thanks for watching this video. I hope you all enjoyed and you learned something. If you did, definitely drop a like rating down below. It means the absolute world to me. If you have any comments, questions, concerns, or requests, leave it all down in the comments. I read it all. And if you have any questions, I will get back to you. I will reply. Now, I have brought back channel reviews, as I said in my last video, so if you want me to actually look over your channel, you know, offer some advice, some insight, some advice with your title, description, thumbnails, tags, content in general, definitely go to my Twitter in the description, send me a direct message with your channel link, I'll get back to you and I'll offer some one-on-one advice with you, and I'll try and help out as best as I possibly can. So if you enjoyed this, subscribe to Wingfield Media. I want to post more content like this in the near future, and I'll see you soon. Thanks.